Best drum machines you need to check out. I bought and tested these drum machines so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. I know how overwhelming it can be with all the options out there, so I dug deep into these 5 products to help you find the perfect beat maker for your music journey. Product number 1, Stylophone Beat. The Stylophone Beat is a compact drum machine that caught my eye for its nostalgic design and portability. Weighing just over 10 ounces, it fits snugly in your hand, making it perfect for on-the-go beat making. Picture this. I was sitting at a park, the sun shining, and I pulled out this little gem. Instantly, I was able to tap into 4 unique drum kits and 4 bass sounds, all powered by 3 AA batteries. The built-in speaker delivers a surprisingly punchy sound for its size, and you can easily connect headphones for private jamming sessions. I found myself lost in layering beats thanks to the click track that keeps everything in perfect time. The ability to record multiple patterns and mute sounds gave me a lot of creative freedom. However, I did notice that with only 4 drum kits, it might limit more complex compositions. But for the price, it's a steal. The pros include its portability and ease of use, while the con is its limited sound options. Product number 2, Akai Professional MPD218. Next up, the Akai Professional MPD218 is a beast of a USB MIDI controller that I absolutely fell in love with. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack at just 2 pounds, but when you start tapping on those 16 thick backlit MPC pads, you realize it's a powerhouse for beat production. The first time I connected it to my laptop, I was blown away by the responsiveness of the pads. They're touch sensitive, which means the harder you hit, the louder the sound. With 48 assignable pads spread across 3 banks, I was able to get really creative with my samples. The assignable knobs are a game changer for tweaking effects, making it seamless to control my DAW without having to click around. One of my favorite features is the MPC Note Repeat. It allowed me to create some really funky loops with ease. While the software suite that comes with it, including Ableton Live Lite, is a nice bonus, I did find that it had a slight learning curve for beginners. Product number 3, Teenage Engineering EP133KO2. Now, let's talk about the Teenage Engineering EP133KO2. This isn't just a drum machine, it's a 64 megabyte sampler, sequencer, and effects powerhouse, all rolled into one. I remember the first time I powered it on, and it felt like stepping into a world of endless sonic possibilities. The design is sleek and inviting, and the pressure-sensitive pads give an incredible tactile response. Sampling sounds around me felt effortless. I recorded everything from my voice to the sounds of the park I was in. The sequencer is remarkably intuitive, allowing me to build beats quickly with 4 groups and 99 patterns. I loved how easy it was to experiment with different combinations, and the commit button made it simple to freeze a moment and add layers. The KO2. Product number 4, Teenage Engineering PO12. The Teenage Engineering PO12 is an absolute gem for anyone looking for something pocket-sized yet powerful. This little device is so compact that it fits right in your palm, yet it packs a punch with real synthesized drum sounds alongside sampled ones. I was amazed by the quality of sound it produced, especially considering its size. The sequencing capabilities are impressive. I found myself creating complex beats with the 16 pattern chains that allow you to build entire tracks. Adding 16 punch-in effects opened up a world of creative possibilities. What really surprised me was the built-in speaker, which gave a surprisingly rich sound, perfect for impromptu jam sessions. The only drawback is that it's not as feature-rich as larger machines, but that compactness makes it incredibly portable. Product number 5 is Singular Sound Beat Buddy Mini 2. Last but not least is the Singular Sound Beat Buddy Mini 2, a drum machine that doubles as a guitar effect pedal. I was skeptical at first, thinking, how could a pedal deliver a full drum machine experience? But after trying it, I was blown away. This device is designed for musicians who want hands-free beat control while playing their instrument. The oversized foot switch is easy to tap, even with my clumsy shoes. It comes with 200 songs spanning various genres, and I loved that I could add fills and transitions while I played. The visual metronome on the screen was a nice touch, especially for those of us who struggle with timing. It's small and lightweight, making it perfect for any pedal board. The only downside is that the range of sounds might not satisfy those looking for extensive customization. But if you want a reliable, hands-free drum machine that enhances your live performances, the Beat Buddy Mini 2 is an excellent investment. In conclusion, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, each of these drum machines offers something unique. From the compact stylophone Beat to the versatile Akai MPD 218 and the performance-ready KO2, there's a perfect match for everyone. My final recommendation is to consider what features matter most to you and how you plan to use it. Happy beat making!